Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that brings back a classic photographic experience. The Kodak Power Flash Disposable Single-Use Camera, specifically the 800 ISO 35 version with flash, available in a convenient multi-pack. This isn't just a camera, it's an invitation to capture moments with a unique, tangible feel that digital often misses. The appeal of a disposable camera in our hyperdigital world is undeniable. It strips away all the complexities of modern photography, offering a pure point-and-shoot experience. With this Kodak Power Flash, users are getting a robust and reliable tool for capturing memories. Its 800 ISO film is a standout feature, providing excellent versatility. This high ISO means the camera performs admirably in a variety of lighting conditions, from bright outdoor scenes to more challenging indoor environments or even dusk. Coupled with the built-in flash, it ensures that subjects are well lit, adding that distinctive, often sought-after disposable camera aesthetic to every shot. Each camera comes loaded with 27 exposures, which is a perfect number for a day trip, a party, or a weekend adventure without feeling overwhelmed. The 35 film format delivers that authentic, classic film look. Think natural grain, rich colors, and a certain unpredictability that makes each developed photo a delightful surprise. There are no settings to adjust, no screens to obsess over. Simply aim, click, and let the camera do its magic. This simplicity fosters a more present approach to photography, encouraging users to focus on the moment rather than the technicalities. The multi-pack offering is particularly appealing. Receiving 3 cameras means there's one for every occasion, or perhaps one to share with friends, making it ideal for group events, festivals, or extended travels. It also represents great value for those who appreciate the film experience. As a thoughtful bonus, each camera in the pack includes a silicone wristband, which is practical for keeping the camera secure during active use, and a microfiber cleaning cloth, always handy for keeping lenses or other gear smudge-free. Ultimately, the Kodak Power Flash Disposable Camera is more than just a gadget. It's a tool for creating authentic, unedited memories. It's perfect for anyone looking to experiment with film, for those who crave the nostalgia of physical prints, or simply for anyone wanting a fun, no-fuss way to document life's fleeting moments. The anticipation of getting the film developed and seeing the results is a joy in itself, offering a refreshing break from the instant gratification of digital photography. It truly delivers a unique photographic journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.